Welcome back, or welcome for the first time. This is Medicaid 101. I'm in a continuing series. Yesterday, I introduced the concept of crisis planning. A crisis plan for Medicaid is when you need Medicaid coverage either immediately or in the month prior. Say, for example, someone went into a nursing home or in quick succession went from a hospital to a rehab facility, which is typically housed inside of a nursing home, to a nursing home, right? That's a crisis plan. You immediately need Medicaid. Or you could pay out of pocket, or perhaps you had long-term care insurance. Typically people don't have that, but please, food for thought, consider a long-term care plan. But those are your three options, right? Relying on your own income and savings, that's privately pay, or have an insurance plan, a long-term insurance plan, or the third way, that's why people will come to me and pre-plan so that you can legally, permissibly shelter your assets so that you could apply for government assistance. That's Medicaid. But in a crisis situation, there's no time to pre-plan, and we have to see immediately what could be done. So figure out where you are qualification-wise, where you are income and asset-wise, and see what, if anything, is not qualifying you for Medicaid. So I had a telephone call today, and a person told me that it's a second marriage, blended family. So the circumstances are the one parent is represented by an adult daughter, and the other parent is represented by an adult son, just so happens to be, and they're not related, right? Theoretically, they'd be step siblings, but the parents had married much later in life, and that brother and sister didn't meet until they were adults. But the mother was able to qualify very easily because her income and her assets were low. Not in any significant pre-planning, but what had happened was assets were transferred to the husband, and now that gentleman has higher assets in his name, and he just naturally had higher income. So the wife was able to qualify immediately, not necessarily secure Medicaid, but qualify immediately because her assets were low, because we were legally transferred to the spouse, and her income was low. Social Security and pension were low. The gentleman now has the assets, right? He's got money in the bank, and his income was naturally higher. So he doesn't automatically qualify. Now, we take a look at the reasons for not qualifying, and it could be too much income or too many assets, or people took some of the wrong steps in the 5-year immediately preceding the application. So maybe they gifted too much, not even gifted too much, just gave a gift inappropriately. So I think that's it for today. I will continue the series tomorrow. If you need help, please give me a call. frankbrunolaw.com. Well, I said give me a call, and then I gave you the website. So I'm thinking you should click on the website, and if you need to give me a call, use the telephone number, 718-418-5000.